Happy Vlogmas. Okay, so today I wanted some tacos, but unfortunately I didn't have no lettuce, I ain't had no tomatoes, but your girl had some avocados. I had some turkey ground meat, some cheese. I had some of these, okay? I hope everyone is having a blessed Thursday. Mm. Christmas is almost here. I'm so excited. I am so ready to have fun and do things with the kids. Like, I'm very, very excited. Most of the things that we're doing, we're starting Sunday with the kids because I have to go back to work on Tuesday. So, oops. So since I have to go back to work on Tuesday, we're gonna do a lot of stuff Sunday, and we're still gonna do things on Christmas, but we're doing a lot of stuff on Sunday. I'll be at work, but Daddy won't be at the house with the kids. What are some Christmas traditions that y'all do with y'all family? I told y'all some of ours in a previous video. We like to make goodies. We like to look at Christmas movies. This year, me and Daddy Rome doing something different. He just don't know about it. I mean, like this. Really delicious. And you should be having me buy each new flavor she be wanting to try. I opened that one in a previous mukbang, and I told Nisha about it, but we couldn't find it, y'all. I had put it in the refrigerator in my office, so we couldn't find it. I actually found it today. When I was getting this together, I realized I ain't have nothing to drink up here, so I went in the refrigerator to see if I had a drink or something in there, and I saw that in there. Oh, that's where you at. So yesterday, y'all got my first bad review. And it wasn't even on the food. I'll do a review on food bad or good anytime. I've never had like a bad experience like that at a restaurant like that. And I was so annoyed. You just said, Mommy, you really gonna talk about it in your video? I said, I'm sure it is. She didn't think I was gonna talk about it. Sometimes these people need to be called out. And I want to make sure that it was the correct I didn't want nobody to think it was a, you know, a different one. I did put the address up. The same as if I was doing it on Google, where you do the reviews on Google. Have y'all had any like bad customer service experience this year with restaurants? Or is it just me? And I really don't let a lot of things bother me for a long period of time. But if I'm giving you my money like that, like I spend a lot of money there. Don't do that to me. Nisha. Mama, you still have like 4 free food items because they give you free food for a certain amount of stuff that you purchase? Yeah, what you gonna do about your free food? And I said, we'll just use it at another Red Lobster because I like Red Lobster. I'm not gonna act like I don't like Red Lobster because of that. I just won't give that in particular one my money no more. Y'all, I was so hungry. I had to go get some tests done, and I couldn't eat, couldn't drink. I was like, can I drink some water at least? Well, you can drink water, but when you come, you have to empty your bladder. I'm like, so I was trying not to drink a lot. Still had to wait because apparently I had stuff in my bladder. It wasn't empty. I'm looking at this day like I ain't gotta pee. Force myself to pee. I'm forced TMI, y'all. I'm forcing myself to pee. I let out a big fart. I know that lady heard that fart because the bathroom in the same room as where, you know, we have to do everything. I'm like, that is so embarrassing. And I walked out. I'm looking around. She ain't say nothing. She's just sitting in front of the machine. What I do like is they don't give you a warm towel. They give you a warm blanket. Well, they give you a warm towel outfit, but they give you a warm blanket, like cover you up with that. I'm like, oh my god. I feel like I'm about to get a massage. So I done got one. Felt so good. Oh, y'all gotta go to work. I'm gonna have to change shirts. I'm gonna waste that on my clothes. And they look like a grease stain. Oh, this is so good. I could eat nachos or tacos any time of day. And I could rewatch people nachos and tacos videos. I will rewatch somebody eat nachos so many times. I don't know why. The crunch soothes me. Not the ones where they're talking and eating the nachos. I like when they're not talking, like the ASMR nachos, especially like the messy ones. I like the tacos. I love those type of videos. Oh, I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. Making a mess, but I'm trying to hurry up. Do anybody have plans for the weekend? Oh man. I think today, because this video is gonna upload tomorrow, so I think today is the last full day of school, and Thursday is the last day of school for the kids, but I'm not sure. They might have school Friday. I don't remember. I don't remember. I know Nisha been going real late because they're taking exams, so I think Nisha been going around 9. Yo, I was really hungry. Like, I was really, really hungry. Yo, I finally opened up those little candies. Last night. I love these candies. Last night. Tore them up. So good. I ain't gonna go work after this. So you guys, there's still time to do the challenge, the giveaway. I hope some of y'all do it. Y'all don't want no free money? I need to put my own name in that challenge. They're $50 for free. Well, technically, you might as well say $25 because you have to go do the challenge. That's why I said it can't be, like, I don't want us to be clearance items. We want to do it fun. Christmas is the last day to upload your video for the giveaway. I might let it be. The reason why I don't want it to be longer because after Christmas, none of the items are regular price anymore. So I'm full. All right, I love y'all so very much. Let me take a sip. Ooh. There's always room for dessert. These and turtles. I made a mess, y'all. I'm gonna have to mop my floor before I go to Swiffer it, whatever you call it, before I go to work. I love y'all so very much. I will see y'all in the next video. I'm always sending blessings. As always, bless.